Hi, my name is Char Martin from BOTTAIA Winery, and today we will be making our own unique twist on a classic sparkling wine cocktail. We will be making the Perfectly Pink cocktail. We'll be using our 2019 Spumante, accompanied by bitters, sugar cube, and an orange twist for garnish. Let's go ahead and get started. Here in our jigger, I have our 8 dashes of bitters that we will be placing atop of the sugar cube. So let's go ahead and do that. The bitters are going to add a really pretty color, and that's what's going to give it that perfectly pink pop once we add in the sparkling wine. Our 2019 Spumante. This is a nice dry sparkling wine made with our Pecorino varietal we grow on estate. It has nice notes of lime and whetstone on its own. Adding in the bitters and then the orange is going to kind of play up those flavor profiles. The bitters are going to add some nice spice notes to it and toned down by the sugar cube so it doesn't become too overpowering. And now for the garnish, we're going to use a nice fresh orange twist here. I'm going to put those citrus oils flowing and pop it right on the side. This cocktail is versatile and perfect for celebrating many occasions with loved ones. Cheers!